Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, May 21st. I'm coming to you outside today. Of course, today there's construction going on in the neighborhood and garbage day, so we might have some interruptions, but we'll do the best that we can. Our sound for today is the letter O. The uppercase O and the small lowercase o look very much alike. The O says ah. The O says ah. Every letter makes a sound. The O says ah, but sometimes we know it says its own name, O. So I found just a few things around my house because O is kind of one of those hard letters to find objects. Let's take a look and see what I found. I found onion, olive oil, an octopus, and an octagon. An octagon is our shape like a stop sign that has 8 sides. So let's say the O sound. Oh, one more thing. Sometimes it says its own name. O. And I found my blanket with a orca on it. So let's say the O sounds together from our objects here. Olive oil. Octagon, onion, and octopus. All right, our word wall today is going to be the word two. And you're probably thinking, what? We already have 2 twos. We do. We have the word two. Like I want to go to the grocery store. We have yesterday's word, two, like the number 2. And now we have another one? We do. Two, T-O-O. And this is the word that we use when we want to say, kind of like when we want to say also. I want to go with you too. I want to go with you also. So two means also. All right, so add those to your word wall today. Today's lesson is something that you can do outside, and all you need is a piece of chalk and a beanbag you can throw. So let's take a look at what you could do. This is an activity that you could work on your numbers with, you could work on your adding with, you could work on your sounds or your letter recognition with, or you could work on your puzzle words. So an activity for all our friends that we could do. I'm gonna move my stuff out of the way for today, and let's take a look. I have our activity already set up. So you'd have to decide with Mom and Dad, do you wanna work on sounds, puzzle words, or letters? And you would take your chalk out in the driveway and you would write out maybe your puzzle words. Or maybe you would write out your uppercase and lowercase sounds. Or maybe you want to work on your numbers today. So you would write out your numbers. Let's say you want to work on your puzzle words, kindergarten friends. You need to get your beanbag and have Mom or Dad help you write out your puzzle words. Draw a circle around them. Then you're going to take 3 big, huge steps back and draw a line. This is where your feet are going to go. Stay behind the line. Then have Mom or Dad read a puzzle word out loud to you. Maybe they are going to say the word you. So you have to take your beanbag and try to get on the U. Did I get it? Yes, I got it. And then you can go back, get your beanbag, and try some more puzzle words. You can write out as many puzzle words as you want, and every day you could change them to new puzzle words. Same thing with your sounds. You're going to write out your uppercase and your lowercase sounds, draw a circle around it. Make your circle where your feet are, or your line where your feet are going to stay behind. and have mom or dad say the letter. Maybe B. Yes. Or maybe your mom or dad will say the sound. S. Got it. For our numbers, write out your numbers, as many as you want. You can go start down at 1 and go as far as you want. I only went up to 12 today. Make your line to stand behind for your feet. And mom or dad could tell you a number to try to get to. How about 8? Yes, I got the 8. Kindergarten friends, we could make this activity a little bit harder. Mom or dad might want to work on some adding with you. They could say, what's 2 plus 2? I know that 2 plus 2 is 4, so I'm going to try to get my beanbag on the 4. And I got it. So, fun activity you can do outside with number identification and adding, working on letter identification and sounds, or kindergarten friends, working on those puzzle words that you have on your word wall. Have a great day. Goodbye, everybody. See you tomorrow.